what you have done, this service and this state honor, there is no one who would have deserved this other than the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. And when we are proclaiming the word, we should not be fearful. Word proclaimed must have the power to transform, must have the power to make us renewed in our strength for the liberation of our country from those who are looting everything from us, from country level to everywhere. If there is anyone here, I want us to make a testament. I want us to make a testament with the people of Kenya. If there is anyone here, at whatever level, be you a governor, be you an MCA, be you whoever it is who has looted this country, you know you stand the chance of being condemned.